single phase half wave converter with RL load and freewheeling diode. Before proceeding with this topic, we will discuss what is the freewheeling diode. It is also known as the flyback diode, and it is a diode connected across the inductive load to eliminate the flyback, which is the sudden voltage spike seen across the inductive load when its supply current is suddenly reduced or interrupted. It is used in the circuit in which inductive load are controlled by switches and in switching power supplies and inverters. Flyback diodes are commonly used when inductive loads are switched off by semiconductor devices like relay drivers. This is the circuit diagram of the freewheeling diode that is connected with the inductor L. Now we are starting with our main topic. The circuit consists of a thyristor T, it is T, a voltage source Vs, a diode, freewheeling diode, across the RL load and inductive load L, and a resistive load R. During the positive half cycle of the input voltage, the thyristor T is forward bias, but it does not conduct until a gate signal is applied to it. When a gate pulse is given to the thyristor, when the gate pulse is given, that is in the waveform, it is given as omega t equal to alpha. This is the omega t is equal to alpha. It get turned on and begin to conduct. When the thyristor is on, the input voltage is applied to the load. Due to the inductor present in the load, the current through the load built up slowly. During the negative half cycle, the thyristor T get reverse bias. At the instant, that is at omega t is equal to pi, the load current shifts its path from the thyristor to the freewheeling diode. When the current is shifted from thyristor to freewheeling diode, the thyristor turns off. The current through the inductor slowly decays to zero through the loop and the freewheeling diode inductor. So here the thyristor will not conduct in negative half cycle and turn off at omega t is equal to pi. So the load receives voltage only during the positive half cycle. The average value of the output voltage can be varied by varying the firing angle alpha. The waveform shows the plot of input voltage, gate current, output voltage, output current and voltage. This is the input which we are giving to the supply, and the gate pulse is given. After the gate pulse only the thyristor will be on as it is shown here, and from the 0 to the gate pulse, that angle is known as the firing angle and it is denoted by the alpha. Now the load current will continue to flow in the reverse direction also due to the inductor, because the inductor will store the energy. This is the thyristor graph that it start conducting when the gate pulse is given to the SCR. This is all about the single phase half wave circuit with the RL load. Now we are discussing with the single phase half wave converter with RL load and freewheeling diode. Now in this circuit, when we have given the gate pulse, the SCR will start conducting and the current will flow through the input SCR, R and L and through E, and it will store some energy. The inductor will store this some energy, and in the negative half cycle the current will flow from the inductor to the freewheeling diode, and the freewheeling diode will start conducting in the reverse direction because the inductor will store some energy, and that energy will consume in the reverse direction. The waveform is shown in the figure. This is the sine waveform. The gate pulse is given. Now this is the E. Due to the battery, the output voltage will never be zero, and it will be equal to the V0 is not equal to 0 because E is connected and equal to E. So the output voltage will be equal to E. Now when the gate pulse is given, it will start conducting. See, and about the load current, the output current will not equal to 0 if the input is negative, because due to the inductor, it will remain continue to flow in the reverse direction only. The load current and the output current will also continue to flow due to the load current, and it will remain to 0 in the negative half cycle. This is all about the single phase half wave converter with RLE load.